Hi all, this is Afzal, an enterprise architect and data engineering leader. In this video, I'm going to explain with Streamlit how you can generate pie chart. Let's jump to the code. I'm using Visual Studio Code. With that, I'm going to explain you how you can generate pie chart. So the very first line of code is you need to import Streamlit. The next line of code is import the pandas, and for the pie chart I am using Plotly, and for the Plotly you need to import Plotly Express, and this must need to be installed. Okay, I'm creating the pie chart data, and here is the variable. Brand is UCB, Levi's and Fila, and Excel 50 is for UCB, 100 for Levi's and 180 for Fila. In the same way, medium size 60, 70, 120, small size 80, 140, 130, and this is the sum of all the sizes. The next line of code, you need to create the data frame. For the data frame, this is the variable pandas data frame, and pass the pie chart data. The next line of code is you need to create the figure, and this you can do with the Plotly chart. So what you have to do, create the object of Plotly and invoke the function of pie and pass this data frame, and this is value. So what it is happening in this is value of Excel is passed. So what will happen, this data will be passed to this figure. If I change this to M, this will pass this data, and this is brand of this. Okay, and this is just title. Okay, nothing else. The next line of code is just what we have to do is create the object of Streamlit and invoke the function of Plotly chart and pass this figure. That's it. With this you will able to generate pie chart easily. Let's run the code. And see, it is generated automatically. It takes the color, and if you do mouse over brand Fila and see Excel 180, and see this is Levi's Excel 100, brand UCB 50. Let's pass M and then see how the data is generated, so it will be more clear. Let's go here, see Control C, it will stop, and what we will do here, we will pass M, we will change here to M, and then save, and then again run it, and see now M data is coming. 120, Levi is 70, and UCB is 60. See how simple it is, and you are with few line of code you are generating a pie chart in a web application. It's super cool feature and super cool, I'll say this. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up.